This twin home is so good. I don't know if we should start in the front or the inside or the backyard or the balcony off the primary bedroom. So we're gonna start with the backyard because it is the nicest twin home backyard I've ever seen. It's over 5,600 square feet and it has a great deck and this huge patio. The backyard is fenced, opens up to a public road in the back, and there's an above ground manual sprinkler system. Welcome inside this home. There's 2 bedrooms. The downstairs could easily be the 3rd, 1.5 bathroom, and an attached 2-car garage. This home is over 1,900 square feet. Let's go look around. The living room has lots of windows and lots of natural light and a gas fireplace, half bath on the main level for guests. I love the floor plan where you can't see the kitchen sink from the front door, and you can't on this home. There's lots of counter space, lots of cabinets, newly painted, super nice cabinet pulls, and with all of these cabinets, there's even still a pantry. Obviously, the kitchen leads right into the dining room. It has plenty of room for even a bigger table than this. This luxury vinyl planking goes all the way to the slider to go outside and is in the kitchen, the hallway, and the front. The upstairs has 2 bedrooms. We're now in the primary suite, which this slider door leads out to that balcony that I started off with. There's a walk-in closet, and you all know how much I love a barn door, or everywhere I could put a barn door. Laminate tile flooring, tile surround in a nice soaker jet tub, lots of space in this bathroom, and lots of storage. Second bedroom is light and bright and spacious. It also has a walk-in closet. This could be a really large bedroom or split it in 2 and have a living room and a 3rd bedroom. Large separate laundry room is also downstairs. We would love to show you this home, so call or text us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. Or the inside. I'm gonna go way back here. Or 2. Now I'm out of breath. Please hold. The dining room as I fall over.